The FLIR MNVD monocular is the only system on the market today that incorporates all the best night vision features in one unit. Before we get started, we need to turn on the unit and make a few adjustments to make sure you optimize the use of your equipment. The first step is to push the operating knob to turn on the MNVD. To activate the built-in infrared illuminator, simply push the IR button on the top of the unit. You'll know your IR illuminator is activated by seeing a glowing red LED indicator in the eyepiece up at about 2 o'clock. Incidentally, this LED illuminator will turn green when the unit's tubes are exposed to excessive levels of light. It'll also flash red when the battery is low. Now you're ready to adjust the unit's diopter so that the image is optimized for sharpness based on each individual's eyesight. Don't forget the focus ring to bring objects into focus, counterclockwise for far focus, clockwise for near focus. Now we're ready to look at what makes this unit best in class. Let's start with the wide 51-degree field of view, which allows faster detection of a threat. The FLIR MNVD monocular can be handheld, head-mounted, helmet-mounted, and also weapon-mounted. Since we're talking about being covert, the single gain control knob is another key product feature. It adjusts the intensity of the light emitted from the viewing tubes. For long missions and extended observation periods, this unit can run up to 40 hours on a single AA battery or CR123. So it's very easy to find extra power in a pinch. A built-in infrared illuminator enhances night vision and enables reading in the dark. The last configuration I want to show you is the weapon-mounted one. The MNVD can be used as a direct sight scope, but it can also be mounted behind a standard day optic to convert it into a night vision system. Lastly, the operator can replace the eye cup with a shuttered eye guard to maintain covert posture by preventing light from the monocular from illuminating the side of the user's face. Simply pinch the sides of the eye cup together to look through the monocular. The FLIR MNVD monocular is available in Gen 2, Gen 3, and for Gen 3, it's available in green and white phosphor. It's also available gated and non-gated.